Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Ugochukwu and Ezinne, and you are highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your support. Thank you guys for always looking out for my videos. I really appreciate that. Guys, today's video is taking another form. Yes, so in this particular video today, just as the title implies, or just as you have seen in the title, I'm going to be teaching you what to do to improve your fertility as a woman, or to improve and boost your egg, or to boost your ovulation as a woman. This is a remedy that many people have tried, many people have been using it, and it works perfectly well, and it's so easy and safe for use. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into preparation. So all you need is clove. This is clove, and you can actually get this from people that sell herbs and spices. You can as well make use of the powdered one if you have it. It is very healthy for both men and women when it comes to fertility, and it has a lot of other health benefits. This is how it actually looks like. A lot of people call it zobo seed or zobo pepper because it is used for making zobo drinks, and it's very healthy, very nutritious, very nice for the system. So I will be showing you how to prepare a very natural, 100% natural remedy with it in order to help you boost your ovulation and make you to conceive faster. It is a very healthy and powerful way to boost your ovulation as a woman and help you produce quality egg or eggs, as it can also make you to conceive twins. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and put on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any post I drop here, okay? And also watch this video till the end so that you get the full detail of how I prepared this remedy. So all you need is an empty container. You can use any type of empty container. I will be using this transparent container because I wanted to see what is inside. You can as well use a container like this, like a water bottle, or even plate or pot, anything that you wishes to use. So first of all, I'll be setting my empty container, and then I poured in warm water. I said warm water, like I boiled water and allowed it to cool a little, like it's still warm. So I'm not using a very hot water because I'm using a plastic container. If you're using a plastic container, all you need is just a warm water, not very hot water, because it might end up damaging the container you are using. So after pouring it to the quantity you need, you can pour about 2 liters or 1+ liters, just about the quantity you need. Then you get your cloves and add about 2 to 3 spoons depending on the quantity. So the water I have in there is about 1.5 liters because I later added a bit of water into it. So I have about 1.5 liters and I added 1 spoon and just a little to make up that one. So, and yeah, it will still come out well. So that's what you are going to do. You will add the cloves inside the warm water and stir it so that it will go down. It will not just be floating on top. So after stirring it, all you have to do is to cover it and keep for 12 to 24 hours. You can see it's already releasing its nutrients into the water. So that is what is going to happen in this process of waiting. All you have to do is to cover it and keep it in a safe place where people will not tamper with it till the next day or till after 12 hours. So you can see that majority of them has already gone down, and yeah, we are waiting.
24 hours later.
So yeah, it's 24 hours later, and this is our remedy. It is ready to start consuming, and all the cloves are settled at the bottom of our container. If you don't want to go through this process of waiting, you can just boil your cloves in a water for like 10 to 15 minutes and start taking it. But why I like this process is that it's going to release its natural nutrients gradually without going through the heat. So you are going to take this first thing in the morning when you wake up. All you have to do is to get your cup and get the quantity of water you need. You can sieve it out and store only the water, but I prefer to leave the seeds in there because it adds more nutrients into it. It makes it even more effective. So you sieve out the quantity you need and then you drink on an empty stomach. You are going to take this from the last day of your period to the 12th day. If you have longer cycle, you can take it up to 14th to 15th day of your period. You don't take it while on your period and while you are ovulating. This particular remedy is 100% natural and it will help you produce quality and viable eggs. It can even make you to hyper-ovulate and conceive twins. It make you to conceive faster. It is very good for both men and women when it comes to fertility. It is very good for man too, so you can actually take it with your husband, or even you as a woman, you can decide to take it alone, but it is very good for both men and women. So you can give it a try and give me a feedback. It is also very good when it comes to liver health. It is a very good antibacterial. It is also a very good and effective natural pain relief. It also helps cure infections. Like if you have infections for some time, it will help to clean you up and make you to conceive faster. So when next you are trying to conceive, consider this natural remedy and it really works. Apart from using it for conception, it's also work for many other health benefits that you will not regret taking it for. Thank you for watching to this extent. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe if you have not done so, and turn on your bell notification. Stay safe out there and see you in my next video.